Hello and welcome to episode 5 of our Zoho Forms series. In this video, we are going to look at the branding settings, how to make your forms look and feel like they belong to your brand. We will cover how to use your own domain name and customize the browser tab title and icon. First up, custom domain. By default, Zoho Forms gives you a generic URL, but you can replace that with your own domain, example forms.mycompany.com, so every form link matches your brand. This builds trust and looks professional. As a super admin, go to Control Panel, select Custom Domain under Customization, click Add New Domain and enter the subdomain you own, for example forms.mycompany.com. Then go to your DNS provider, add a CNAME record pointing your subdomain to forms.cs.zohohost.com. Wait for DNS propagation. This can take up to 24 to 48 hours and verify in Zoho Forms. Once verified, the custom domain appears in the dropdown. Then go to Settings, Branding and click on Custom Domain. Select the domain and click Save. From then on, your form links will use that custom domain. Next, let's configure the browser tab settings. This means how your form looks in the browser tab, that is, its title and favicon. Go to Settings, Branding, select Browser tab. For title, enter what you want to appear in the browser tab, for example, My Company Contact Form, instead of the default form name. This helps with clarity when users have multiple tabs open. For favicon, upload a small icon file, example your company logo, which should be under 50 KB and the supported types are PNG, JPG and GIF, to use as the tab icon. Save settings and preview, you will see the new title and icon show up in the browser tab. And that's it. Now your Zoho Forms are truly on brand. In the next episode, we will dive into the prefill settings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and leave a comment with the branding change you are most excited to try.